Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Subaru Impreza WRX. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Subaru has less than 79,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free CARFAX vehicle history report. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.